Now, how can you schedule a meeting through the Google Meet app on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so hey, you have more options. Naturally, using the Google Meet app, you can open it up, tap on the new one, right? And you have the ability to create a link right now for the video call, or you can schedule it, right? So if you tap on a schedule, it will move you over to the Google Calendar application, right? So you don't really have to even start of course, in the Google Meet app. You can go to your Google Calendar right away. And the point is that you basically just go to the time of the year or basically any day where you want to schedule it, start a new event, which you can like name like a video call or whatever. And then you have the ability to add a video conferencing, right? So you tap on this and it will create the Google Meet, right? So it is right there. So you can, of course, just set it up, invite as many people as you want, like add the guests, whatever, add locations, right? But once you save it, it will then have the Google Meet link, right? So it will be created like this, and you can just tap on it right away and join it, right? And since you are like included other people in it as well, like invited them, they will be able to join the very same link and at that time because it's scheduled in the calendar. So that's how it works. I really hope that you were able to make it work on your device as well. If not, let me know what's going on below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.